Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say a big thank you for stopping by, and if you are a returnee, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I make videos on hair, makeup, DIYs and much more, but today's video is going to be on how to achieve this simple purple pink eyeshadow look. And I'm going to start with this tutorial and I'm going to see you guys at the end of the video.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me.
So guys, this is the complete look of this makeup tutorial. I hope you like this video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet and you have watched this far, please push the subscribe button down below, and also push that bell icon down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Or you can just check on me once a week. I upload video at least once a week. I'm trying to upload more often, and if you have any video requests, leave a comment down below and I will be reading your comment and see if I could record those videos that you have requested. So I'm going to leave you guys here today, and I'm going to say bye.